Hello dear friends, I just wanted to check in with you guys and tell you about some new things on my site ladaray.com. So I have freebies here. I just redesigned some pages and I will continue redesigning them and putting more free content into embedding more free content here and there on all kinds of pages throughout ladaray.com. First of all, if you go to the home page, you see that it has been redesigned somewhat, and these are my workshops. Incidentally, I will be releasing free workshops, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be on ladaray.com. If you are interested in free workshops that actually preview and give you a really good solid idea about everything I'm doing on Multidimensional University, there will be like cross workshop kind of free workshops that I'll be releasing. No spoilers right now, so stay tuned. That will be happening in a month, maybe in 2 months, but information is really good. So there will be freebies there. There will be some free videos and audios and articles. I always make sure that I release some sort of previews or excerpts or free articles on Futures Trendcast. So here on the homepage of ladaray.com, you can find all these links. You can go to Futures Trendcast, and we are running a free article marathon there that includes videos, also includes some snippets of audio podcasts I release exclusively for my patrons on Ladaray Patreon. Also to mention, we do have Ladaray Patreon shop open. There are several pieces there, both podcasts and articles that you can just buy for a nominal amount instead of subscription. If you want to support me, and also if you are interested in regular content that I deliver, very in-depth content that you will find nowhere else in the world at all, then please subscribe to Ladaray Patreon, and that's here. You also can find it on the home page, and you can just click and go to the actual page if you are not my subscriber already. Now, well, this is what we also do on Ladaray Patreon. These are the articles also posted on homepage at this time. I do change the design of the homepage all the time, especially the top. Here's what I wanted to show you. If you go all the way down behind the webinars and books, you have this new section which is called free for all. Explore, have a ball. And you know, there's a cake, fireworks here, and so it gives you links to all kinds of articles, podcasts, and the entire section here. See Teachings by Ladaray under Lada's work. So there is a lot of free stuff right there. And so this page I just redesigned. It looks like this now. It was very lackluster kind of design, just like white on white, you know. So I really streamlined the page. I redid a lot of it because this page was like that for years and years since I first began the website. So I also placed it right after home, so you can easily find it right there. So you get a lot of freebies here, and it's called Teachings by Ladaray, Explore and Learn Free. And you see here, this is a large section with a lot of free articles, definitions, all kinds of like ins and outs of my quantum calibrations teaching. And as you know, I keep expanding and broadening and deepening this teaching, and there are so many new calibrations I constantly come up with. So it's not just my book, Geopolitical and Geoeconomic Quantum Calibrations, which you can find the link to where my books are sold. Quantum Calibrations and all my novels, all my fiction, where they're sold, and eventually there will be more books. I promise, when I get around to that, because I am working on another quantum calibration book, which will be the general guidance book, and no spoilers right now. This is going to be a secret. It will be showing up soon. As you see, the whole page is quantum calibration study free, the Earthshift teaching, study free. Russia the Great Balancer, also study free here. Your quintessential free guide to multidimensional universe. This is a really large page, and I will be reworking eventually all these pages and making them more presentable, but the text, the content is there already, so go and explore. When I have news for each of these pages, I might add some content, might modify something. Eventually some of it will become basically the basis of my new books. Yeah, also 4D geopolitics and life force here, very interesting. One of my teachings, that's one of the originals here. There are trends and predictions. Again, I will be reworking some of these pages. I share constantly with my Patreon subscribers my new predictions, and then I also update predictions like trends and everything. I share it all the time, where we're going with everything that is happening in the world. But you know, those who are not subscribers, they're not privy to this information. So here I am also, that's why I put around here, I created so many free pages, and that was done a long time ago. That's in addition to future Trendcast, what you might have read there. Also here is an interview, also pretty good interview. It's part of all this interesting, all these teachings. I give you some ideas. It's a written interview. Also, there are featured free articles here, featured video interviews would be here, and I will be adding more to this. Now, there are freebies here in the books section. You just click here and you go and explore open books, excerpts, reveals here, teasers, a lot of good stuff, you know, lots of good pictures there. And of course, in the bookshop, which is here, bookstore, you can find the links to where to buy my books. And I will also have very interesting news for you on that front as well. Yeah, of course, there are links to my paid content. And by the way, Earthshift reports, some of them are free, so click on that and you can find some freebies amongst Earthshift reports. I might actually make even more Earthshift reports free, either for my patrons or for general public, so don't miss that. Those are classics Earthshift reports. A lot of you have bought them in the past or donated when they were on donation based. Okay, now the quantum reports, on the other hand, are super interesting. That's a separate page. Let's go to this page. So it would be under programs. See, webinars, quantum reports, special events, Earthshift report, and then shop is also here for the time being because I'm going to be redoing the shop. Okay, so those who want to buy a few pieces I sell on the shop, you have to go onto programs at this time, but it will be reworked eventually. Guys, so as far as quantum reports go, you see that there might be a couple more quantum reports that I might be adding to this. Maybe 2, 3, we'll see how we go. I'm not going to be adding much more to this. This is a super interesting information here. It is based on quantum calibrations, like lots of quantum calibrations, either geopolitical or international relations, or it's something to do with economics, economy, investment, and financial area of the world economy. We are currently running a big series on very long running series, the financial health of specific countries, and we already calibrated a large number of countries. We'll continue doing that. There are several more countries in my cache that I will be soon calibrating for financial health of their economy and generally financial health of a country. Well, and some of these reports, like this one, they are multidimensional. Well, there is psychic view, multidimensional view, what kind of souls these people are, elementals or starseeds. So I'm discussing Johnny Depp and Amber Heard here. A very interesting report. There will be another one which discusses the demonic. Well, we actually have Greta Thunberg here, also super interesting report here, like extremely unique. You really will not find this information anywhere. Okay, and I am going to be putting some of these on sale, guys. So that there is a mix here in these reports. So it's of current information, quantum calibrations, geopolitics, economics and finances, and higher dimensional information. So some of these will go on sale. Please don't miss them, because prices actually might go up. We have such huge inflation. Well, they're totally worth it, because they're large, they're very, very profound reports. So going back to Lada's work, we also have my social media here, and I might be adding more social media to this. And don't miss my YouTube videos, in which I discuss how I'm being censored and stifled by YouTube. I'm still not giving up on YouTube, because I will be doing things there. I actually, it's like, I decided, like, oh, I don't care anymore. I am just going to share my truth with that. So I'm going to be reworking my YouTube channel to actually talk to you like this. It's going to be more talks like this that are exposure talks, and also talks that are uplifting, and maybe quantum calibrations I'll share with you. Lots of things I'm planning. So this is the page to go to. It's called ladaray.com, Lada's work, where you can get all the freebies and links to freebies. And of course, if you want to explore deeper and further, you go to Multidimensional University and my current course, Multidimensional Souls of the Universe, and How to Adapt and Thrive During the Great Earth Shift. These are flagship courses that I am designing, and this is the current course. This is last year's course. And guys, with programs, as I said, Earthshift webinars, I might be sharing some freebies. I already started doing some freebies. Quantum reports, they might be going on sale. Special video events, some might become freebies, or maybe excerpts might become freebies. And Earthshift reports, there are some free Earthshift reports embedded in there. You just have to go scroll down and you will find them amongst the other reports. So I wanted to explore it free. I will be expanding dramatically into they're stifling me, they're censoring me like crazy, they're trying to put me down. If you follow me, if you like my YouTube videos, my posts, if you leave encouraging comments, you know, any comments really, just like, what do you think, what do you feel, right? Well, I like encouraging comments, because that gives me some energy back. That's energy exchange. It's quintessential to give energy back to somebody who shares information that is especially this rare with you, that is helpful. So I want to do more free. I also would like to have more support, because oftentimes it feels like I'm soul, like one single, like warrior, right? Spiritual warrior against that whole gigantic machine. So Multidimensional University is where we have my mainstay current courses, Multidimensional Souls of the Universe, very important, very big, giant and important course that I'm currently running 4 workshops out, and I'm working on 2 more right now. And don't miss that, guys. As I said, there will be some freebies. So Angels Among Us have just been released recently, and now we're doing the demonics. And next we will be doing the grace, aliens and hybrids, takeover or salvation. So these 2 will be doing pretty soon. And freebies, as I said, there will be 2 freebies, an hour free workshop and a half-hour free workshop, which will give you a great preview of a lot of other things. And I might be sharing excerpts for free on my YouTube channel, maybe somewhere else. We'll see how we go with that. But the point is that I will be sharing freebies, and also freebies of this course 1, which is completed, which is now fully for sale. how to adapt and thrive during the Great Earth Shift. So I'm urging you to explore all this on my website. Now, see, I reworked the number of pages, like how they are. I cleaned up a lot of this. So we have subscribe here, and that's my Multidimensional University and my Patreon. And there might be something else. Oh, my kitty just sneezed. He likes working with me here. He's sitting on my desk here on his favorite towel and shaking the, oi, stop shaking, darling. Okay, so that's all I wanted to tell you. Don't forget to go to the books section, where you actually can read a lot of interesting excerpts and snippets for free. It's a really cool free section where you can see more of my books. And by the way, again, spoiler alert, ta-da! I will be making some of my books free as soon on here, only here. It's going to be exclusive to ladaray.com/books, and nowhere else you will see it. Of course, you can read about section, my official bio 2023, and there will be another bio soon for 2024-25 that I will be sharing with you. And there are some links here as well, again, to freebies and stuff. And also you have testimonials right under here. So testimonials are, there will be more testimonials incidentally. Again, free testimonials would be on this page. If you scroll down, reviews of my workshops, and on the sales page, where it says sign up for complete course 2, and incidentally you're saving more right now on this course, and price will be going up for various workshops. And if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you will see tons and tons of testimonials, reviews and testimonials. I will be adding more very soon. I'll be adding more to this. So we have these so far that have been selected to be posted here, and the very best ones are actually on the info page over here, right on top. And I might add more to this. Now, guys, so that's all, and I'll just tell you that I also redesigned the donate page, and essentially it's the same, but I kind of cleaned it up a little bit, made it look a little bit nicer and more interesting. So that's all I wanted to tell you guys. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll be talking to you soon.